So today we show you a virtual test drive application which performs sensor fusion testing using IPG CarMaker and VeriStand running on an NI hill. So basically we drive on a virtual road, we capture it by the camera, and in parallel and synchronously we generate radar reflections so that the radar sensor sees exactly the same thing that the camera sees on the screen. But on top of that, we generate LiDAR targets and car-to-X communication. So how cool is that?
Okay, wait, Frank, there's a lot going on here. Let me make sure I'm keeping up with you. So we have the software from IPG CarMaker, and that creates a virtual world and puts virtual objects on the road. And then that software passes information from VeriStand, our software, that tells our RF generators to generate real radar signals. Then the radar sensor sees those radar signals, passes that information to the controller, so the controller thinks it's in the car, seeing real objects on the road. We got to see a demo, Michael.
Yeah, Jamie, let's take a virtual test drive. So our car uses radar, LiDAR, cameras, and vehicle-to-vehicle communication to sense objects in the environment. Our hill system generates these real-world signals just as if you were in a car driving down a real road, and then the control system takes the inputs of all these car sensors to drive the car fully autonomously. As you can see, our radar, camera, and LiDAR are all detecting the semi-truck, so the car slows down, stay around it to pass it. Further up the road, the car gets a vehicle-to-vehicle communication message telling it an ambulance will coming. These sensors working together give the car a complete view of its surroundings. Our hill system generates a complete virtual world needed to test the control system and to make sure that the car operates safely.
That's incredible. So you see all of these sensors coming in, as well as the communication. That's really impressive. You can put the controller through a wide range of scenarios to get great test coverage, but this system can also do some testing of the sensors themselves.
Yeah, the same test system can be used also to characterize the radar sensor to ensure it responds properly to objects in front of it. So in addition to testing the embedded software that goes into the vehicle, we also can test to make sure that the physical hardware meets the design requirements.